Class 9, today we are going to start new exercise number 18B, uniform cross section. What is uniform cross section? See by this example you will come to know. Actually it is a metallic block. Its front face dimension and back face dimensions are same. See, this is L, this is also L, this is B, and this is also B. Similarly, right side face dimension and left side face dimensions are same. This is H, and this is B, and this is also B. Now, what is cross section? What is cross section? See, from front wise, this rectangle is going to till end. This rectangle is going to till end. So this will be a cross section from this side, front side, and from this side this will be a cross section. So now I am taking from this side cross section. So this is actually cross section because this shape is going to till end. Now what is the area of this cross section? Length into breadth, because it is a rectangle. Now what will be volume of this block? Area multiplied by length. See here, area of cross section multiplied by length. What is area? L into B. And what is this distance? H. This length is H. So LB, H. So this is volume formula. Now see question number 1. Area of cross section is given for this question 12.8 and length of the block is given 1.26. So volume, find volume. The volume formula will be area of cross section into length. So answer will be 16.128 centimeter cube. This is volume. Now see question number 4. In question number 4, there is given again a metallic block which has this cross section, and length of this cross section is given 2.5 meter. These all are given in centimeter. Now find the volume of this block. So how we can calculate the volume of this block? First of all, calculate the area of cross section, this area. So this diagram consisting here 3 rectangle, 1, 2, 3. So 3 rectangle area. Add all the 3 rectangle areas. This rectangle area will be 4 into 2.5, and this rectangle area will be 3.5 into 2. Similarly, this rectangle 8 into 1.5. Add all the areas. So this will be a cross section area. What is coming? Cross section area 29 centimeter square. And this block length is given like this. Length is given 2.5 meter. It is given in meter. So change into centimeters because all these are centimeters. Multiply by 100. See here. So area multiply by length. So what is the answer? 7250 centimeter cube. So this will be a volume of this solid. Now find the weight. 1 centimeter cube weight is given 7.8 gram. So what will be 8 of 7250 centimeter cube? Multiply. Do multiply. This is answer 56.55 kg. Now see question number 8. In question number 8, there is a pipe and cross section of pipe is given 5.4 centimeter square. Cross section area of cross section is 5.4 centimeter square, and flowing water is flowing through the pipe. That speed is given 27 km per hour. So change this kilometer into centimeter because area of cross section is given in centimeter. So change into centimeters. So how we can change this kilometer into centimeter? Multiply by 1 lakh, because 1 lakh is equal to, because 1 kilometer equals to 1 lakh centimeters. So just make the same unit as centimeter. So 27 multiplied by 1 lakh. So this becomes centimeters. Similarly, change hours into minutes. Divide by 60. So it will come 45,000 centimeter per minute. This is the speed now. New speed in centimeter per minute. Now find the volume of water flow through the pipe in 1 minute. They are asking volume of water flowing through the pipe in 1 minute. So area of cross section multiply by length. This is the volume formula, you know. area of cross section multiplied by length. So what is the area of cross section given? 5.4. Put here 5.4. What will be length? Length will be 45,000 centimeter per minute. So what is the meaning of speed? Speed means the water is covering 45,000 centimeter in 1 minute. So we are finding discharge water volume in 1 minute. Area of cross section multiplied by length. So area of cross section 5.4 and distance covered by water in 1 minute 45,000. So this will come 2,43,000 centimeter cube. This is the volume of water discharged from pipe in 1 minute. Now they are asking answer in liters. So divide by 1000. You know 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter. 1000 centimeter cube. 1 liter equals to 1000 centimeter cube. So divide by 1000. So this will come 243 liters. Answer. So this is in liters. Now see 12th question. In the 12th question there is given garage. This is the front shape of the garage. So you can say this is area of cross section. And what is the length of garage? Garage length is given in the question. This is here 20 meter long this garage. This garage is 20 meter long. So this is area of cross section. This is cross section of garage. Actually what is this? Cross section of garage. Front shape. So now you know front shape consists two figures, rectangle and upper part is a triangle. Lower part is a rectangle and upper part is a triangle. Divide this figure into two parts, rectangle and triangle. And what will be area of cross section now? Rectangle area plus triangle area. See area of cross section. Triangle area plus rectangle area. Triangle area will be half base into height. So this base will be 4 and 4, 8. And what is height here? Height is a 3 meter. Because full height is a 8. This height is a 5. From 8 take out 5. What will come this upper height? 3. So triangle area will be half base into height. So base is 8 and height is 3. And area of rectangle, length into breadth, 8 into 5. 8 into 5, 40. So 40 plus 12, 52 meter square. This is the area of cross section of garage. First part answer. Now they are asking in second part volume. Volume formula is area of cross section into length. Area of cross section is here in the first part 52 meter square and length is given here 20 meter. This garage is 20 meter long. Multiply by 20, 1040 meter cube. Now third part. In the third part they are asking number of workers. How many workers can stay in this garage? And one worker required 40 meter cube of air. So number of worker, how we can calculate the number of worker? Volume of air in the garage. How much? The volume of this garage, volume is 1040. So volume of air in the garage is 1040 divided by required air for one worker. How much air is required for one worker? 40 meter cube. So garage volume divided by required air for one worker volume. So divide this. 1040 divided by 40. 26 worker can stay inside of the garage. So children, this is your exercise number 18B. Next time we will take new topic. Thank you.